Taurus, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to this page for the blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is transformation, confirmation. Things are changing on the outside because you changed so much on the inside. You continue to grow. You found your peak. You found your pace on how you can continue to grow at your own peaceful level and pace. Congratulations! It's not easy. You have turned that heart of stone to a heart of love, prosperity, light, sunshine. I'm constantly evolving and I improve inwardly by working on my weaknesses and refining my strengths, becoming an all-powerful being. Life ensures that I'm presented with situations that help me learn and grow. Therefore, I can sustain bigger blessings than I can even imagine. And I'm aware of my progress and open my wings to light, knowing that transformation does not always feel great, but the results are amazing. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.